Are you ready to sweat? Let's go. This channel features the Bowflex Max Trainer and the coldest water bottle.
Did you have a good holiday, guys? Good. Did you have lots of burgers, hot dogs, drink some beer? Same thing here. So, mine's non-alcoholic though. I got too much going on to get drunk, so let's get busy. Hey, if you need a Bowflex and you're just swinging by to check out this thing, down in the description of the video, I keep all the links right down there. One will take you right to the page. You can shop everything Bowflex. The next one will take you right to the Max Trainer. Also down there, the official water bottle of this channel is the coldest. Best water bottle going right now. Keeps your drinks nice and cold. You can take it right from the Bowflex machine right to your bicycle, right to camping, hunting, hiking, whatever. It's a great water bottle. Check it out down there. Go right to the page. All right. So, most people right about now, I'm going to spin my machine here for a minute. Most people right about now will be like, oh, I'm just going to give up because I ate too much. I did this. I just killed my diet. No. Don't ever give up. Start from where you are right now and just get your act together and get back into it. That's all. Hey, if you have an alternative heart monitor, like I use the iPhone watch, make sure you set that now and get it going. I have the M7 Max Trainer heart monitor on my chest. Get that going. And for me to get you going and back on schedule here after the holiday, 14-minute intervals. Okay? If you have this machine here, it's after the holiday. My brain's not with it. That's why we're in and out of what I'm saying here. The big Max Trainer. So, remember, it goes right into a sprint. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hit the max button. Right into your sprint. I normally sprint using the 12 resistance in the workout here. Today I'm going to go right with 10 resistance. 5 more seconds. Okay, back it down. Nice deep breath. You're not up to par right now. Wasn't too much partying after the weekend. That's fine. Just do what you can do. Minute interval. We have 8 intervals. Sprint for 25 seconds. You pace for 80 seconds. Keep it going. 15 more. Stage 2 coming up. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. 15 seconds. 10. Bring it down. Ooh. I gotta get back into it. I took off just like you guys did, man. Might be my workout channel. I like to have fun too. You can't have all work and no play. Your life would be boring. Nice and easy. 20 seconds. Still recovering. Stage 3 coming up. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Juice it up. Use them arms. Seconds. Brain down. It's a full body workout, guys. You need your arms as much as your legs. Still on stage 3. Seconds. 10 seconds. Stage 4 coming up. In 5, 2, 1. Juice it up. Come on. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. 4. Almost halfway done. Still recovering. Bring it down as low as you have to. Nice deep breath in. Let it out slow. 30 seconds. Stage 5 coming up. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. There you go. Nice and easy and recover. Get a drink of water. other one wandering around too. She'll be alright. Hey! 15 seconds. She sees the sweat. Two, one, juice it up. Use a lot of arms if your legs are tired. Going. Bring it down. That's it. Keep going. Don't worry about your screen. Concentrate on my kitty. You have to. She's my biggest fan. "30 seconds. Less. Stage 7 coming up. "15, 10, you got this. 5 seconds. 2, 1, juice it up. 15, 10, 3 seconds. Bring it down. Going awesome. That's a couple of those burgers going. Now, I would stop and move the kitty cat, but one, she's alright. She doesn't get close, too close. And two, I don't edit my workout. I edit a lot of stuff for you guys to see, but my workouts are uncut. So that's not happening. 10 seconds. Last round. 2, 1. Juice it up. "15, 10, 5, okay. Just gotta make it to the finish line. I normally like to get 400 calories in this 14 minutes. We're going to be pushing it close. I got to keep this pace going. Don't know if I'm gonna get it today. 10 more. 30 seconds left. Two more. We got it. There's 400. 10 seconds left. All right. 405. What are you doing, crazy? Huh? Want to say hi? See her? Beautiful. Her sister's around here somewhere. Remember, guys, down in the descriptions, you can get the coldest water bottle. Max Trainer, down in the descriptions. Please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it. Hit that bell so you know every time I upload. All right, we'll see you later.